We're going to learn a bunch of melodies now, but we're just going to stay on one string. It's very important to learn in a linear way. It's easier just to get up to the higher frets instead of crossing strings in the beginning. So we are going to play just the major scale, this scale, on different strings. So I'm going to read off the fret, and we'll just go very slow. We're going to start on the thickest string, and if you can see on page 4, there's a line, and that represents the string, and you just read from left to right through those numbers, and those numbers are the frets. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Let's try that again a little bit slower. So here we go. 0. Now fret the second fret. You can just use your middle finger, that's fine. And now the 4th fret. And now the 5th fret. And now the 7th fret. And the 9th fret. The 11th fret. And the 12th fret. Good. Let's go to the A string and just do the same thing. Alright, so here we go. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Go to the next string. 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Okay, good. Now just pause for a moment and continue that on the rest of the strings. Great, now let's try the minor scale. Okay, the order of notes is a little bit different. It has a bit of a sadder sound. Let's try the thickest string. So everybody plays 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Good, go to the next string. 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Good. Now just pause it for a moment and continue playing that on the rest of the strings. Okay, let's try Mary Had a Little Lamb now. Let's start this out on the thickest string. And you can use 2 different fingers. Or you can just use 1 finger and just shift it around. Okay, so I'll just lead you through it very slow. Here we go. Ready? 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4. 2, 2, 2, 4, 7, 7. 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 0. Excellent. Good, so try Mary Had a Little Lamb on the rest of the strings. Let's go on to Happy Birthday now. Happy Birthday sounds like this. So I was just using 1 finger on that. Okay, so let's try that together very slow. 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 5, 4, 2, 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. Great. Now try that on the rest of the strings. All right, let's go on to Smoke on the Water now. So Smoke on the Water is just like this. Okay, so again, you could change fingers or just use one finger on it. Let's try it together very slow. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Good. Now practice that on every string. Now for James Bond. So the first James Bond sounds like this. Okay, so let's try this very slow together. Ready, go. 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. And just keep looping it. Again, ready, go. 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay, keep playing that and try that on every string. Now let's do James Bond number 2. Okay, so notice that one has a little bit of sliding to it. And you use some higher frets. So just keep the pressure down to get some of those notes. Everybody practice James Bond number 2 for a moment.